This is day one of the construction of the Beehive coke oven in Dunbar. I'm at the Shamrock Mines coke ovens along New Salem Road, and this is where the bricks were stored. These are new old stock bricks that have never been used, and we're going to be removing them using prisoner help and getting them out of these ovens. Now these cut stones around the opening are very rare to find. Usually on the ovens those things are long gone, and so that was a great find for the construction of the ovens, because to have these specially made would have been quite expensive. When you look inside, you can see this oven is huge. I don't know if you can see the trunnel. There's the trunnel hole, but this is what we're going to be rebuilding. A lot of this stuff is more easily found when it's wintertime because all the growth isn't here. It's the type of thing you can drive up and down the road every day and never know that this is here. This is actually one of the best preserved examples of coke ovens in Fayette County.